What is going on, everybody? It is David here helping you play creatively. Today I have 3 easy worship songs for beginners. Just want to give you some songs to help encourage you on your piano playing journey. Let's get right to it. The first song we're looking at today is King of Kings. The other song we're going to look at is Honey in the Rock. And then the final one we're going to look at is What a Beautiful Name. I'm going to play this song through. Just pay attention to my chords and then I'll explain it afterwards. All right. So praise the Father, praise the Son, praise the Spirit, 3 in 1. God of glory, majesty, praise forever to the King of Kings. Now I've made this as simple as possible. If you notice, primarily we're moving a lot in our left hand, just a few notes, and we're only moving a few times in our right hand, okay? So what's happening here, we're playing a D major chord on the praise the Father. And then when we get to praise the Son, the only thing we're doing is moving this D in our left hand to a G. Praise the Son. And then when we get to praise the Spirit, we move our left hand to a B. Praise the Spirit. Now, when we get to the 3 in 1, 3 in 1, here we move this F sharp down to this E, and we play an A in our left hand, okay? 3 in 1. And then we have God of glory, just like the first part. Majesty, praise forever to the King. There we switched back to that F sharp moving down to the E and then the A in our left hand of Kings. The first part of the song follows the second part of the song, except when you get to praise forever to the King of Kings. It's just much quicker chord changes. All right, so that's the first one. We got King of Kings. The second song we're gonna look at is Honey in the Rock. We're gonna keep it in the same key, okay? And we're gonna kind of keep it in this simple chord idea. There's honey in the rock, water from my soul, and down, no matter where I go. I don't need to worry all that I'm screwing up these words. Oh my gosh. They're everything I need. You got this honey in the rock. All right. If you know the song, you'll be totally fine. All right. At least if you know the tune. So da 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 da. We're gonna play a D major and da 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 da. Here we're just moving up to the G. Da 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 da. We go back to the D major and da 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 da. The G and the bass and da 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 da. We go to a B minor, da, 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 back to the G, and then we have an E minor. Here's the only time you need to make a full change on the chord. Everything I need, you got, there's honey in the rock. And on the got, we're gonna play a G in the left hand with a D major in the right. Back to that same chord we've been playing a lot of, okay? So, everything I need, you got, there's honey in the rock. Okay, that's 2 choruses you have right there. Let me give you one more. What a Beautiful Name. Love this song so much. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus. So what are the chords for it? What a beautiful name it is. We got a D major, okay? What a beautiful name it is. Now here we're playing that A sus that we've been playing this entire time, okay? And the only thing we're doing again is moving down from the F sharp to the E. And we're playing an A in our left hand. The name of Jesus. We're playing a B minor chord, really B minor 7, but the only thing we're doing is keeping this D major in the right hand and we're playing a B in our left. Jesus Christ. A sus, we've already played it. My King. Now we're playing here is a G major chord. Here it's truly a G major 9, all right? But really think about it as just keeping that D major in the right hand and a G in the left. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing can stand against What a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus. So right there is where you have to make some quicker chord changes than before. What a beautiful name it is. B minor, the name, A sus of Jesus, G9. Or like we just talked about them with that B minor, we're just keeping that D major in the right hand with the B in the bass. Here we're playing the A sus, where we're bringing that F sharp down to E, F sharp down to E, and we're keeping all the other notes from that D major chord, and then we're playing the A, and then here we're playing a G major chord. A G in the left with a D major in the right. All right, that's it. So there you have 3 choruses under your belt, just for those who just want to have something fun to play. Hey, but if you want to further your journey, you're like, look, I want to play more advanced ideas, I certainly recommend you check out the free membership in the comment section and description below. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning. We'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.